Beyond chance and determinism. Why certain phenomena demand an explanation beyond random chance and natural law. Summary. There are some phenomena which cannot be explained even in principle by random chance or natural law. Examples include free will, sensations, the sensation of the color red, the sensation of pitch, the sensation of smell of baking bread, the sensation of the taste of sugar, the sensation of a touch, consciousness, intelligence, thoughts, desires, purposes, concepts, rationality, sensations, logic, math, the existence of natural laws. It is completely irrational to claim that these are nothing more than random chance, or they are caused by random chance, or that they are nothing more than natural law, or they are deterministically caused by natural law. Introduction. In our pursuit of understanding reality, we encounter phenomena that cannot be explained using random chance and natural law. These phenomena, free will, consciousness, sensations, intelligence, thoughts, desires, purposes, rationality, and the very existence of natural laws, embody aspects of human experience and reality that cannot be accounted for by randomness or deterministic natural processes. Here we explore why it is both rational and necessary to seek explanations for these phenomena that go beyond the limitations of chance and determinism, providing examples to illustrate how they transcend purely physical causation. 1. Free will. Free will, the ability to make genuine choices, represents a phenomenon that cannot be reconciled with random chance or deterministic law. If our choices were entirely dictated by natural laws, they would be predetermined, erasing any true freedom. Conversely, if choices were governed by random chance, they would be arbitrary and devoid of intention or responsibility. Consider the decision to help a stranger in need. It is neither a random, unintentional action nor an inevitable outcome of physical laws. It's a choice influenced by reasoning, empathy, and a personal commitment to kindness. The capacity to make moral and purposeful decisions indicates an influence that surpasses both chance and physical determinism, suggesting a deeper, non-material source of agency. 2. Sensations. Sensations, such as seeing the color red, hearing a note, or smelling fresh bread, are intensely personal and subjective experiences. These qualia, individual experiences of sensation, cannot be entirely described by physical processes, even though they are correlated with neurological activity. No amount of chemical reactions or neural firings fully explains the subjective experience itself. Take, for example, the experience of tasting sugar. While we understand the biochemical reactions that occur when sugar binds to receptors on our tongue, this scientific description does not capture the sensation itself, the sweetness perceived in consciousness. There is a qualitative aspect here that is irreducible to mere molecules or neurons firing. This sensation, uniquely subjective, points beyond the reach of physical explanation, indicating an aspect of experience not bound to matter. 3. Consciousness. Consciousness, or the state of being aware, is perhaps the most profound example of a phenomenon that eludes explanation by physical processes. Neuroscience provides insights into brain functions that correlate with conscious states, but correlation does not equate to causation. The hard problem of consciousness, why and how subjective experiences arise from physical processes, remains unsolved. Consciousness itself cannot be dissected into parts or explained by chance or law. It is a unified, continuous state of awareness. Imagine a machine designed to process information. It may mimic certain behaviors, but it has no subjective experience of being or of I. This qualitative gap signifies that consciousness is an emergent phenomenon that defies reduction to physical processes alone, suggesting the involvement of a non-material dimension. 4. Intelligence. Intelligence involves not only processing information but also understanding, reasoning, and creating. While machines can execute algorithms, they do not possess genuine comprehension. Intelligence requires more than physical structure or biochemical reactions. It requires insight and the ability to grasp meaning. Consider a mathematician solving a complex problem. The process involves logic, creativity, and abstract thinking, qualities that transcend mechanistic processes. Unlike computational functions driven by algorithms, human intelligence includes the ability to transcend rigid patterns and derive entirely new insights, which is incompatible with explanations based solely on chance or deterministic law. 5. Thoughts and desires. Thoughts and desires are expressions of our inner lives that hold meaning, intentionality, and purpose. A desire to learn, for instance, isn't a random impulse but a meaningful inclination directed toward acquiring knowledge. Thoughts, too, involve complex reasoning and personal reflection. Random chance cannot create purposeful thoughts or desires, as purpose implies directed intention, not arbitrariness. Likewise, deterministic laws cannot generate genuinely free desires, as they would be constrained by physical necessity. The intentionality behind thoughts and desires points to an explanation that lies beyond mere physical causation. 6. Concepts and rationality. Concepts, such as justice, love, or truth, are abstract and immaterial. They do not exist as physical entities yet have real implications on our actions and thoughts. Rationality, the ability to reason logically and consistently, relies on our capacity to engage with these concepts meaningfully. For example, applying the concept of justice in decision-making requires an understanding that goes beyond neural activity or chemical reactions. Concepts and rationality involve not just physical processes but also an immaterial comprehension of ideas and their implications, which neither random chance nor deterministic laws can account for. 7. Logic and mathematics. Logic and mathematics are objective, abstract systems that structure our understanding of the world. They are not physical phenomena but conceptual frameworks with universally applicable truths. The laws of mathematics are consistent and coherent, transcending the material world and holding true across time and space. For instance, the equation 2 + 2 = 4 remains true irrespective of any physical manifestation. The consistency and universality of mathematical principles reveal their independence from physical laws or random chance. They suggest the existence of a foundational order beyond the material realm, an order neither created by physical laws nor governed by randomness. 8. The existence of natural laws. Natural laws, such as gravity or electromagnetism, govern the behavior of matter and energy in the universe. But these laws themselves, particularly their origin, cannot be explained by the matter they govern. Why do laws exist in such a precise, coherent form? Why are they fine-tuned to allow for a stable universe? Random chance cannot account for the existence of orderly, consistent laws that apply universally. Nor can deterministic processes explain the origins of these laws, as such processes would presuppose their existence. The origin and stability of natural laws suggest a rational source that precedes the physical universe, one that is neither random nor bound by physical necessity. Why these phenomena cannot arise from chance or natural law alone? Random chance implies an absence of intentionality, order, or predictability, while natural laws imply a fixed, deterministic order. However, many of these phenomena, such as consciousness, free will, and rationality, require intention, direction, or meaning, which neither randomness nor natural law provides. To claim that these phenomena are purely material or arise solely through chance or deterministic law is to ignore their inherently non-material, purposeful nature. For example, a desire to understand, a purpose to seek justice, or the sensation of tasting sweetness cannot be reduced to neural firings or random molecular arrangements. Rather, they signify a dimension of experience that transcends matter, pointing toward a reality where meaning, intention, and purpose are fundamental. Conclusion. In examining free will, sensations, consciousness, intelligence, thoughts, desires, concepts, rationality, logic, mathematics, and natural laws, we find that neither random chance nor natural law provides an adequate explanation. Each of these phenomena reveals a depth that points to the presence of non-material principles guiding our reality. It is rational, therefore, to infer that an intelligent source, one beyond mere matter, is at the foundation of these aspects of existence. Rather than dismissing them as accidents or deterministic byproducts, acknowledging their unique nature points to a coherent, purposeful reality that transcends physical explanations and invites us to seek answers beyond the bounds of materialism. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and comment below if you agree or would like to add your thoughts. If you would like me to respond to your comment, please make a level 1 comment directly below the video. I will respond to all polite level 1 comments even if it takes me a while, due to other commitments.